Hello, I want to thank you for your interest in our clicker presses. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use two types of dies. The 1.25 clicker die, which is a steel frame die such as this, it's like a cookie cutter, and also a .937 steel rule die, which has a lower profile and it has some ejection foam to help push your products out. Now, the only difference between using these two dies is the thickness of the cutting board you use. I have here a 0.813 thick cutting board and a 1/2 inch cutting board. You use each die with a specific cutting board. So, with the 1.25 inch clicker die, you'll use the 1/2 inch board. Now, you'll use this board on the bottom. This is the way the normal clicker dies are used. You'll take your product, you'll lay it on top of the cutting board. You'll put your die on top of your product. You'll slide that in. You'll put the machine, activate it, cut it out. And as you can see, it cuts out very nice and clean. The machine is adjusted specifically for this height of die with this size cutting board, with a 1/2 inch cutting board. Now, with a steel rule die, you can use it two ways. You can use the cutting board on the bottom with an acrylic based die, which you can order. Now this die will cut the same type of material, but it will cut, you can place it on your material so that you can maximize the amount of material that you're using and minimize your scrap. So I'll lay it on here and we just slide that in. See, cuts out very nice and neat and clean with that type of die. Now, with a wood-based die, you obviously can't see through it, so you'll have to attach the board to the top, platen, such as this, just like I'm doing here. You can use clamps, or you can use pre-drilled holes that are mounting bolts, holes here that you could put bolts in to mount your cutting board to the top. Now, with that type of machinery, you can take, this is set up for a business card die. It's 8.5 by 11. This one also has registration pins for printed materials. So that way you can continue your operation very speedily without having to worry about your registration. You just simply put it in between your registration pins, you slide it in. Activate the machine, you'll slide it out. And as you can see, it'll cut out several layers of thinner material. So if you have a business card set up, you could probably do a couple at a time. So you probably do 16 business cards in a matter of seconds. Now that's the type of dies you need. You could use, like as I said, the cutting boards have to be placed. You always cut against the cutting boards, whether it's up or down. That way you don't dull your knife blades on your new die. I will send this video over and we'll discuss it. Thank you.